HP Studios. So in this video, we are going to unbox the all-new HP Pavilion X360 convertible laptop. This is the box we just received from HP. So let's move into the unboxing. Nothing else is in the box. So this is the all-new HP Pavilion X360 convertible. Let's keep it aside for the moment. Along with that, we have the adapter, which has a rating of 19.5 volts, 1.6 amperes. So with that, we have a digital pen and we have some basic documentation. So, and this is the laptop. This is a beautiful HP Pavilion. Wow. This looks gorgeous. It has a wood type finish on the keypad. You know what, like, cannot describe the feeling which I have having this laptop in my hand. It's 360 convertible, so you can convert it to a tab if you want. And this will be touchscreen. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So till that time, subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. This was Dr. Paul on AP Studios. Thank you.